All right, so here's an algebra problem. This could be for any students, really grade 8, maybe grade 7, and all the way up to grade 12. Grade 12 students should be able to get this pretty easily. I would say this is probably grade 8 level. So here's the problem. This is a special year. Mr. MathWell's age is the sum of all the ages of his children. The two youngest are separated by 2 years, and the two oldest are also separated by 2 years. The middle children are separated by 3 years. If the youngest child is X years old and Mr. MathWell is 42 years old, then how old are each of his 4 children? Use an algebraic equation to solve, and make sure you verify your answers. So I'm giving you this variable X. This is the youngest child's age, and I want you to use an algebraic or an algebra equation using this X variable. So why don't you pause the video right now and see if you can solve this question, and then give the answer in just a few seconds. All right, so here's the solution to the problem. Hope you got a chance to give this a try here. The youngest is X years old. The next is X plus 2, because remember, they are separated by 2 years. The middle two are separated by 3, so if the youngest is X, this is X plus 2, the next one is X plus 5, and the oldest is 2 years older than this one. So here's what we have, and we add up, the sum is the addition of all of the ages, and that has to equal 42. So if we collect like terms, now if you look here, the x's are all like terms, so every x term we can collect. And of course these brackets don't really mean much because we're all adding. So there's 4 x's in total, and there's 2 plus 5 plus 7, that's 14. Subtract 14 from both sides, and we get 4x equals 28. Divide by 4, you get x equals 7. So if we have x equals 7, we have to remember what we set x equal to, and x was equal to the youngest age. So if the youngest is 7, that means the next oldest is 7 plus 2, 9. And then the next after that is 12, and the oldest is 14. Because x, remember, it's all based on x up here. So if we check, or the verification here, how you verify, is you go back to your original equation, and you say, okay, all the ages right here should add up to 42. And so those ages we just determined, right, is 7, and 9, 12, and 14. So if you add up those, you should get 42. And of course, 7 and 9 is 16. 16 and 12 is 28. 28 and 14 is indeed 42. There's your answer. So here are the ages of the kids. They are 7, 9, and we should end with a word sentence, shouldn't we? The final word sentence would be the ages of Mr. MathWell's children are 7, 9, 12, and 14 years old.